Hello and welcome to today's class. Here we have this challenge given that our x equal to what in log bracket open 2x plus 3 base 4 minus 3 equal to log x base 4. So what is the value of x here? So today I'm going to show you how to solve for x. It's a simple logarithmic equation. So the first here, let's take our solution. So the equation again is our log bracket open 2x then plus r3 close bracket base 4 then minus r3 then equal to the log of x base 4. So what we do here is this. We want to express this in log form. So we're going to apply a law in logarithm which says that if you have your log a base a, this is equal to 1, provided that your a is not equal to 0. So if a is not equal to 0, then any log base itself will give us 1. And so we're going to introduce log to this part of this equation. And so this is going to give us our log bracket 2x plus our 3 then base 4 close bracket then minus our 3 times log. Yeah, we are dealing with base 4 here, right? So yeah, we have base 4, we have base 4. So this is going to give us our base 4. And so we're going to have log 4 base 4 equal to our log x base 4. So here we have these three here. We move these three to this side of this equation, which is to the power side here now. And the law says that if you have your log, your a to the power of b, so this is equal to b times your log a. Okay, so if we apply this law, then it will to give us our log bracket 2x plus 3 close bracket into base 4 then minus our log our 4 to the power of 3 base 4 equal to log our x base 4. So with what we have here, we are having a minus sign here. So we also resolve to the division law of logarithm. So the law which says that if you have your log, your m all over n, then this is equal to the log of m minus the log of n. Okay, so we have to rearrange this in this form. So rearranging this is going to give us here our log, our 2x plus 3, okay, all over what we have here is 4 to the power of 3, or in bracket base 4. This is equal to log our x base 4. Now we are having equality sign here, and here we have log base 4, log base 4. So this we go with this. So we now have this to be our 2x plus 3 all over 4 to the power of 3, everything equal to our x. So we cross multiply because this is all over 1, or we multiply through by 4 to the power of 3. So this is going to give us 2x plus 3 all over 4 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of 3 equal to x times 4 to the power of 3. So this will go with this. So we now have our 2x plus our 3 equal to our 4 to the power of 3 of x. Now we have to move this quantity to this side. In other words, let's subtract 2x from both sides. So this is going to give us 2x plus our 3 minus 2x equals to 4 to the power of 3x minus our 2x. This will leave with this. Now we can now have our expression here. So we have to find the value of 4 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3 is simply 4 times 4 times 4 into 3 places, right? So 4 times 4 is 16 times another 4 will give us 64. So we're going to have here, and at the same time, let's rearrange this. So we're going to have this to be our 64x, then minus 2x is equal to our 3. So if we take this from this is going to give us 62x is equal to 3. We divide through by 62 because we're looking for s, so we divide by 62. Cancel, cancel. So we now have here, therefore, our x is equal to 3 all over 62. Okay, so this is the value of x. All right, so this brings us to the end of today's math class. If you've learned something from this video, give the video a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to our channel, do so. Thank you.